Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is the PyProjects YouTube channel. I'm Ahmed Ashraf. I graduated from INSHA'ALLAH University in Egypt with a bachelor's degree in computer engineering and software systems, specialized in data science. I'm here to discuss with you the aims of this PyProjects YouTube channel. So in short, it is just Python projects. It will be some projects that I'll be working on, and after finishing, I'm going to be rewriting them with you or explaining them with the channel. Project's domain is going to be varied from data science related topics. We can be doing some data analysis, machine learning, deep learning tasks. Maybe you are going to be doing some backend projects using Django or Flask. Also, we have automation tasks that can be implemented using Python. And nearly anything that can be written in Python, we can share it here. Also, I'm currently contributing to some open source projects in Python, so maybe it's a good idea to share it with you here. So one can ask, why Python? It's a perfect question. There are a lot of reasons can be said. But in short, Python is easy for newcomers and friendly for experienced programmers due to its simple, human-readable syntax. Python community is large and supportive, and as you can see, it is still growing as our channel PyProjects is coming to the play. Python has hundreds of libraries and frameworks. This makes it useful in many domains, as we mentioned before. Different programming paradigms. Python supports multiple programming paradigms such as object-oriented, procedural, and function programming, which makes it a perfect choice for large enterprises. And this is not the end of the story. There are more reasons you can search online if you are interested. So our aim in the channel is to make and share projects that are made in Python. If you're interested, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn the notification bell so you don't miss our new videos. Also, if you have any Python project idea that we can work on, please share it with us in the comment section below. I'm happy to hear any suggestions from you about how we can progress. If you're ambitious about the PyProjects channel, let me know by hitting the like button. And that's it. Thank you.